Welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at Bolide, a high yield aggregator. Before we get any further, remember that nothing in this video is financial advice. Please always do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So earn a DeFi yield with your crypto with secure vaults with the highest APY. We can see overall their TVL is $6.8 million and they have single asset vaults, which are very nice. So on stablecoins, you can earn 8% APY. Bitcoin and Ethereum is 12% APY. It's currently boosted, and their own token BLID is 11%. And we can see the TVLs of all of those. They've got all their partners: PancakeSwap, 8Swap, Uniswap, etc. Very, very big project here. And if you want to know how it works, you deposit into Bolide. They, of course, then lend out your money, which through the lending protocols is borrowed by DEXs. Then, of course, the DEXs give farming and trading fees back to Bolide, and the lending protocols give lending fees, and then Bolide gives the user their yield back. Again, their own token, their native token, is at 0.025. And again, we can see the price of that token is climbing as well. But we're going to head into the app and do a deposit here today. So they're either on the Binance Smart Chain or on Ethereum. I will be using the Binance Smart Chain here for this one. So again, you want to connect your MetaMask wallet to the website. And once you're then, of course, you want to pick your pool. I'm holding BUSD, so I'm just going to go into the BUSD pool. However, if you had Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc., you could put those in. So I'm going to be depositing into the stablecoin pool, which takes USDT, USDC, DAI, and BUSD. So if I hit deposit here, you of course then can pick your stablecoin. So I'm going to go BUSD. First, of course, you need to approve the spend. So it's just giving permission so you can, in fact, deposit into the pool. We can see now you have to wait for it to approve your transaction, which shouldn't take too long. And then once that has gone through, you can deposit into the app. So now we can see transaction complete. And now with my stablecoin, I can type the amount I want to deposit. Here, we're just going to do a simple $100. Again, with all investments, I advise only investing what you are willing to lose. Test out the protocol, see what you think, and then in the future, you can invest more. So we're going to deposit $100. Of course, confirming it with my ledger, because you've always got to stay safe in the crypto space. Now we can see deposit BUSD transaction is loading, and then we should have my transaction deposited into the vault. So now we can see transaction complete. So my vaults total $100.004. We can see the TVL of $4.4 million total and the boosted APY of 8%. Deposited $100, and of course, if I'd be earning their owner token BLID. So it's very, very simple to get involved. Again, if you want more details, the contracts are audited, so you can actually go through all of their docs. They've got audits, there's incentives, they've got a referral program. There's so many different things going on with Bolide. But again, make sure just to check it out yourself. This is just a simple video showing you guys how I'm investing, and I will do a 1 week follow-up showing you guys the rewards I have earned from Bolide. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in my next video.